Morgan began warning other officers that the fire was headed their way. The escape window was shrinking quickly. Luckily, a different officer, Deputy Nave, had managed to warn another homeowner about the blaze. The man hopped in his truck and barreled down the road with Deputy Nave close behind. Morgan let both men pass before pulling out and joining the line. Had he waited any longer, he may not have made it.
Adam 515 status.
Holy
Morgan.
The fire just jumped the road at 13717. The residence there is full engulfed.
13717
Holy
road.
man. You're not getting me today, eat my fat head fire. Hurry the Dave! I don't want to die in this.
Go ahead.
10-20.